Now, Lwah Ndlunkulu goes live and she addresses Mthandeni's fans about why she didn't go to Mthandeni to celebrate the success of the song Paris, which she's featured on. Now, she goes live while the celebration is in progress at Mthandeni, and she goes live. She calls this drama. How convenient for Mthandeni's rivalry gang. But then everything that she said there, even though it caused a lot of drama, it was all facts. Number one, Mthandeni is not her home. Fact, unnecessary fact, but still a fact. Number two, she is signed to Inkabi Records, and she listens to what Inkabi Records tells her to do. If Inkabi Records say you can't go to an unpaid trip to Mthandeni, she has to obey, even if she wanted to be there. Now, what she said on that video, she said Mthandeni did not take her call, which tells me she wanted to go there, but Mthandeni was not reachable so that she could be there when the song that she's a big part of is being celebrated. Now, to me, Mthandeni did not have Lwah in mind when he was preparing for that event. Why do I say that? I might be wrong. Why do I say that? Mthandeni expected that Lwah will just pitch on that event based on the fact that she's part of the song. He did not expect Lwah to be professional and say, you need to pay me for the appearance. He expected her to just pitch up. And another thing that makes me say he did not have Lwah in mind when he was preparing for that event, the banners on that event. Did you notice that every time Mthandeni posts about Paris on Facebook, the pictures that he posts on Facebook, it has him and Lwah. Every picture that he posts when he talks about the success of Paris, whether it's views or people loving or showing love to the song, it has him and Lwah on the picture. Even when the song went gold or platinum, I think it went platinum, and the pictures that he posted there, it was him and Lwah on every picture. Now, when they make banners for the event celebrating the same song, it only has him on the banners. It's only his picture on the banners. There's no Lwah on the banner now. So that tells me at the end of the day, the song belongs to Mthandeni. Lwah is just a feature, even though she played a huge role in promoting the song. The way Lwah was performing the song, in every set that she performed ever since the song was released, Paris was there. She made sure that everywhere she goes, she performs Paris, and she played a huge role in promoting the song. I think if Mthandeni was the only one promoting the song or performing the song, it wouldn't be as big as it is, I think. So Lwah played a huge role in promoting the song.